parang patapan dito, ano. Thank you so much, guys. Ginsi. Ganito pala, ano. Tapans pala, ano. Ganito pala. Okay. Thank you so much. Sabi ko mayroon tapans dito for some reason, hindi ko yun alam. You are the very first tapans here for my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thank you, Jinsi. Gis Jinxi. I don't paano ba mag-pronounce? It's hard to pronounce sometimes. Wave. Thank you so much. There's nobody here, only you. You are the top fans. That's right. Meron palang ganyan, no? I never see this before on live. Good night then. Yeah, thank you for the eye and the heart and everything. Thank you so much. Jinsis, thank you. You are the top fan here in my life. Meron, kaya nga pala nakita ko na top fans. Ganito pala, ano? This is new in YouTube. I never see this before. Did you do this for yourself, or it's just the YouTube did this? I have no idea, because I see that on the top of my screen it says top fans, and then I look at you. You have number 1 on the crown. Oh wow, you're so amazing. Say hi to you. Of course. Ang ganda ng buhay. So, titingnan ninyo yung ano ko, yung aso. Look at my dog. Tubi. Were you chewing Tubi, ha? Three million people in the house. Thank you so much. Please type in so I can shout out your name. Yes, Toby, if I go inside the house, it's gonna complain, right, Toby? You're gonna say, no, mommy, I need you here. Oh, don't swallow that big bone there, okay, please. It used to be a big bone before, and then now it's getting small. I think every time they bite, they chew some. Are you still Jinsi there? You said good night, so here is afternoon. Afternoon here in USA. Tubi. I will fish my dog to the camera. Oh, Tubi, I think you stepped on the flowers, or I think you did it, huh? Come on, guys, look at